Good morning, children. How are you? Yes, very good. Yes, before lesson, everybody written homework, assignments completed. Okay. Now we are going to study nervous system. Nervous system. Okay. Anybody know? Anybody know nervous system? Nervous system is what? Nerves. You know nerves, yes? Everybody have nerves, yes? Nervous system is made up of nervous tissues. System is made up of nervous tissues. One of the characteristic features of all living organisms is responding to stimulus, refer to the changes in the environmental condition that are detected by the receptor present in the body. Receptors are present in the body, sense organs that are detected by the receptors. Relevant changes in the activities of organism to particular stimuli are called the reaction or response. That is, relevant changes in the activities of organism to a particular stimuli. Not different, particular. I means that one kind of stimuli is that. That particular stimuli are called responses, otherwise reactions. Living organisms show their response to different kinds of stimuli like light, heat, cold, sound, smell, taste, touch, pressure, pain, or forces of activities, etc. For example, withdrawal of hand when we touch hot object. That also you know. Very hot object you are touching is suddenly your hand coming up. Withdrawal of hand when we touch hot object or next one. One more example I will say. Closing the eyes when flashed with bright light. Some suddenly bright light coming means your eyes suddenly closing. Yes? Yes. This also one kind of example. So, on receiving a stimulus, the body responds in manner that is most appropriate for its survival and function. To provide the correct response to a stimulus, it is necessary that all organs work together in a proper coordinated manner. We have more nerves, every nerves are cooperated, that is coordinated, work together. Every nerves are work together. This working together of various organs in the systemic controlled and efficient way to the produce proper response to various stimuli is called coordination. Coordination. That means these nerves are working together of various organs in the systematic and controlled. That is called coordination. Coordination. In animals, including human beings, the coordination between the various cells and organs is essential for diverse activities to maintain physiological balance. Coordination between various cells and organs is essential for the diverse activities to maintain physiological balance called homeostasis. What is homeostasis? What is homeostasis? The coordination between the various cells and organs is essential for the diverse activities. That is diverse activities to maintain the physiological balance. That is called homeostasis. Homeostasis. Okay? Here, now we have to study homeostasis, coordination, and responding stimuli that are completed. Next we will go nervous system. What is nervous system? What is nervous system? Nervous system is made up of nervous tissues. Nervous system are made up of nervous tissues. Nervous tissues. It is formed three distinct components, namely three distinct components. One is neuron, neuroglia, nerve fibers. Neuron, neuroglia, and nerve fibers. What is neuron? Anybody heard about neuron? Already that previous class you studied. Yes? What is neuron? Neuron is the structural and functional unit of the nervous system. What is neuron? Neuron is the structural and functional unit of the nervous system. That is a basic. That is a basic structural and functional unit of nervous system. What is the other name of neuron is nerve cell. Other name of neuron is nerve cell. It is the longest cell of the human body with a length of over 100 nanometer. 100 nanometer. That like it is the longest cell of human body. Longest cell of human body. These cells are highly specialized. The neuron cells, otherwise nerve cells, are highly specialized to detect, receive, and transmit different kinds of stimuli. It is specialized to detect, reserve, and transmit different kinds of stimuli. How? Some information. Information is conducted through neurons in the form of electrical impulses from one part of the body to another. Information is conducted through neuron. Information conducted through neurons in the form of electrical impulses. Electrical impulses from one part of the body to another part of the body. That is the work of neuron. What is the work of neuron? Information is conducted through neuron in the form of electrical impulses from one part of the body to another. Okay? Have you understand? Neuroglia. Neuroglia. What is neuroglia? Neuroglia, other name is glial cells. Glial cells. Neuroglia, other name is glial cells. Glial. They are non-exciting supporting cell of the nervous system. They do not initiate or contact nerve impulses. That means non-exciting supporting cell of nervous system. Neuroglia, supporting cell of nervous system. They do not initiate or contact nerve impulses. Neuroglia not initiate, not contact the nerve impulses. Okay, neuroglia, other name is glial cells. They are non-exciting, supporting cell of nervous system. They do not initiate or contact nerve impulses. Okay, next, nerve fibers. Nerve fibers. Nerve fibers are the long, slender process of neuron. Long, slender process of neuron. What is nerve fiber? The nerve fibers are the long, slender process of neurons. The number of nerve fibers are bundled up together to form nerves. Bundled. The number of nerve fibers are bundled up together to form nerves. How nerves forming? A number of nerve fibers are bundled up together to form nerves. Okay? Nerve fibers, understand? What is nerve fiber? Nerve fibers are long, slender process of neurons. A number of nerve fibers are bundled up together to form nerves. Okay? That means nervous system, three components, three distinct components. One is neuron, next one is neuroglia, another one is nerve fibers. Nerve fibers. Next, we will go to study the structure of neuron. What is neuron? What is neuron? Neuron is a structural and functional unit of nervous system. Neuron is a structural and functional unit of nervous system. Now everybody see the picture. Structure of neuron. See the picture everybody. Neuron typically consists of three basic parts: cyton, dendrites, axon. Cyton, dendrites, axon. Three parts, three basic parts. Where is cyton? See the picture everybody. Everybody listening or not? Look at the picture. Cell body, soma. Have you seen cell body? That is a cyton. That is a cyton. That means cell structure, you know, cell structure. That cell structure, cytoplasm is there. That like these nerve cells, neurons have also cytoplasm. That is called cyton. Next one, see. Next one. Nucleus is inside. Yes. Nucleolus also there. Yes. The outside the cell body. See the outside. Dendrites are there. The branches like tree branch, you know, that is small branches are there. That is a dendrites. What is that? Dendrites. Dendrites. Okay? Dendrites. Next, you see that long tube-like structure. That is a axon. That is a axon. Next, finishing place you see. That is a axon terminal button. Axon terminal button. In the finishing place, axon terminal buttons. Every axon finishing place you see small button like that is connect with next one. Okay, that is called axon terminal button. Now, in the axon place you see that myelin sheath are there. Myelin sheath are there. In between the nodes of Ranvier is there. Nodes of Ranvier. Everybody see the picture. Myelin sheath. Nodes of Ranvier. Okay. Now we have to see the cyton, dendrites and axons. What is cyton? Cyton is also called cell body. Cell body. Other name also is there. Cyton, one name. Other one name is cell body. Other one name is the perikaryon. Perikaryon. Cyton. Okay, perikaryon. It is a central nucleus with abundant cytoplasm called neuroplasm. In center nucleus is there. Yes. Everybody see the picture? Center one nucleus is there. Yes, it has central nucleus with abundant cytoplasm. Abundant cytoplasm that is called neuroplasm. Neuroplasm. The cytoplasm has large granular body called Nissl granules. Nissl granules. Everybody see the picture? Nissl granules. The picture Nissl body given. Yes, Nissl body. That is, what is the Nissl granules? The cytoplasm has large granular body. Granular body is that. That is called Nissl granules. And the other cell organelles like mitochondria, ribosome, lysosome, and endoplasmic reticulum also there. Yes, already we studied in previous classes. Yes, cell structure you studied. That is same like here. Mitochondria, ribosome, lysosome, endoplasmic reticulum, that like some organelles are there. Neurons do not have ability to divide. Several neurofibrils are present in the cytoplasm that help in transmission of nerve impulses to and from the cell body. To and from the cell body. Neurons do not have ability to divide. Several neurofibrils are present. Several neurofibrils. In the cell body have neurofibrils. The neurofibrils, what is the work of neurofibrils? Transmission of nerve impulses to and from the cell body. Transmission of nerve impulses to and from the cell body. To and from the cell body. That is the work of neurofibrils. Neurofibrils are present in the cytosol. Neurofibrils present in the cytosol. More, several neurofibrils are present. Not only one, several neurofibrils are present in the cytoplasm that help in transmission of nerve impulses to and from to the body, cell body, to the cell body. Okay. Next, we have to study dendrites. Dendrites. Already saw the picture, dendrites? Yes, already saw. Yes, that dendrites are numerous branched cytoplasmic processes that project from the surface of the cell body. The cell body only branched. Numerous branches are there. That projection from the surface of the cell body. They contact nerve impulse towards the cytosol. Nerve impulse towards the cytosol. They contact nerve impulses towards the cytosol. Towards the cytosol, the branched projections increase the surface area for receiving the signals from other nerve cells. What is the work of dendrites? What is the work? The branched projection increase the surface area for receiving the signals. For receiving the signals from other nerve cells. From other nerve cells. These nerve cells have dendrites. Next, another one nerve cell is there. More nerve cells are in the body. Next nerve cell giving here some information. These dendrites receiving the signals. Receiving the signals from other nerve cells. It is a work of dendrites. The branch projection increase the surface area for receiving signals from other nerve cells. Okay, everybody understood? Next, we have to see axon. Already we studied. Already saw the picture cytosol, dendrites, axon. This picture also you see. See the picture. It is also neuron only. It is also neuron only. The cell body is there. Nucleus is there. Some mitochondria also there. Dendrites also there. Now we will study axon. See axon. The large tube-like structure is there. The large tube-like structure. See the picture, everybody? Everybody seeing or not? The blue color, long tail-like. That is the axon. See the picture, everybody? In the axon have myelin sheath. Axon have myelin sheath. Node of Ranvier, Schwann cell, synapse, axon terminal. Parts, everybody saw? Now what is axon we will see. Okay? What is axon? What are the use of axon? Okay? The axon is a single elongated slender projection. Single elongated slender projection. The end of axon terminates as fine branches which terminate into knob-like swelling called synaptic knob. Everybody see synapse. See the picture, synapse. Small knob-like structure is there. Yes, that is called synaptic knob. Synaptic knob. The plasma membrane of axon is called axolemma. The plasma membrane of axon is called axolemma. Axolemma. while the cytoplasm is called exoplasm. Plasma membrane of oxygen is called exolemma. The in the cytosol only have cytoplasm not. Here also cytoplasm. Okay. Here this cytoplasm, the axon have cytoplasm. That cytoplasm name is exoplasm. Exoplasm. It carries impulse away from the cyton. Cyton is the impulse. The axon only carry the impulse from the cyton. The axon may covered by protective sheath called myelin sheath. The exoplasm, the exoplasm covered by one sheath. That sheath is called myelin sheath. That is protective sheath. Myelin sheath, otherwise protective sheath, which is further covered by a layer of Schwann cells. Schwann cells. After one layer covered by this myelin sheath. Okay. Myelin sheath further covered by the layer of Schwann cells called neurolemma. Neurolemma, the outermost cover of the myelin sheath. Neurolemma. What is that? Neurolemma. Myelin sheath breaks at intervals by depression called nodes of Ranvier. See the picture, everybody? In between the myelin sheath, in between, some breaks are in the myelin sheath. That is some depression given. That is called modes of Ranvier. Modes of Ranvier. The region between the nodes is called internode. That node is called internode. Myelin sheath acts as insulator and ensures rapid transmission of nerve impulses. What is the work of myelin sheath? Insulator. It is act as a insulator and ensures rapid transmission of nerve impulses. Rapid transmission of nerve impulses. Okay. Next, synapse. See the picture, synapse. Synapse, a junction between the synaptic knob of axon, one neuron and dendron of next neuron is called synaptic junction. What is the synaptic junction? The synaptic knob connects to the another dendrites, another neuron dendrites. That connecting place is called synaptic junction. Have you understood? Synaptic junction. What is synaptic junction? The junction between the synaptic knob of action of one neuron and a dendron of next neuron. Dendron of next neuron. That is called synaptic junction. Information from one neuron can pass to another neuron through this junction with the release of chemicals known as neurotransmitters. Here, one chemicals are the release of chemicals in the synaptic junction, releasing some chemicals. The chemical known as neurotransmitters from the synaptic knob. What information? Information from one neuron can pass to another neuron through this junction, this synaptic junction, with the release of chemicals known as neurotransmitters. What is neurotransmitters? One chemical releasing in the synaptic junction. That chemicals are known as neurotransmitters from the synaptic knob. From the synaptic knobs. Okay, children, have you understood? These are understood. Now we have to see types of neurons. Types of neurons. Already the basic parts of neurons studied. That is 3 cyton, dendrites, axon. Cyton, dendrites, axon, that is a parts. That is a neuron parts. Now types of neuron. That these are also 3 types. Neuron may be different types based on the structure and the function. Structure and the function that divide in 3. One is unipolar. Other name is sensory neuron. Next one is interneuron. Other name is bipolar. Next one is multipolar. Otherwise motor neuron. Unipolar, bipolar, multipolar. Uni means only one. Bipolar means 2. Multipolar means many. Yes, that we know. Yes. Unipolar, another name is sensory neuron. Sensory neuron. Bipolar, interneuron. Multipolar, motor neuron. Motor neuron. Structurally, neurons may be following types. Unipolar, everybody see the picture. Now everybody see the picture. The center one is unipolar. Only one nerve process arises from the cyton, which act as both axon and dendron. Only one nerve coming from the cyton. That one act both axon and dendron. See the picture, axon is up. Where is axon? Axon is there. Unipolar. Everybody see the picture, unipolar? Axon. Axon is 2 sides. Yes? That axon and dendrons. Only one nerve process arises from the cyton. So that is unipolar. That is unipolar. Next one is bipolar. Bipolar. See the picture, everybody, bipolar. That nucleus and the cyton is center. The cyton gives rise to 2 nerve processes. 2 nerve processes. There only one nerve, here 2 nerve processes, of which one act as axon while another as dendron. One act as axon, another one act as dendron. That means here 2 nerve processes. Have you understood? Multipolar neurons. Multipolar. See the picture, multipolar. Cyton is same like we studied that picture. Same like, yes? The nucleus is there, cyton is there, outside dendrites are there, one axon is there. Next, synaptic nerves are, yes? So, the cyton gives rise to many dendrons and an axon. Many dendrons, only one axon. So it is multipolar. Multipolar neurons. So types of neurons, 3 types. One is unipolar, bipolar, multipolar. Okay? Yes. Unipolar. Where these are found? Unipolar found in early embryos, but not in adult. Only embryos. Unipolar found in embryos. Bipolar found in retina of eye and olfactory epithelium of nasal chambers. 2 places. Bipolar found in 2 places. One is eye, retina of eye, and olfactory epithelium of nasal chambers. Nasal chambers. Next one, multipolar found in cerebral cortex of brain. Multipolar found in cerebral cortex of brain. Okay? Unipolar found in embryos. Bipolar found in retina of eye and olfactory epithelium of nasal chambers. Multipolar found in cerebral cortex of brain. Okay, children? Everybody understood? Now, we have to study classification based on function. Classification based on function. Classification based on function. On the basis of function, neuron are categories three. One is afferent neuron, otherwise sensory. Efferent neuron, otherwise motor. Next one, association neurons. First one we will see, it is, see everybody see the picture, sensory neurons, otherwise afferent neurons. Afferent neuron, it is a sensory neurons which carry impulses from the sense organ to the central nervous system. Sensor organs to central nervous system. So it is sensory neuron which carry impulses from sense organ to central nervous system. So it is called sensory neuron. Everybody see the picture? This sensory neuron carry impulse from the sense organ to central nervous system. Next one, we have to see motor neurons. See the picture everybody. Motor neurons. Motor neurons. Motor neurons, other name is efferent neurons, which carry impulses from central nervous system to effector organ such as muscle fiber or the gland. See the picture here, muscle fibers are these motor neuron carry impulses from the central nervous system to muscle fiber. Central nervous system to muscle fiber. It is called motor neurons. Central nervous system to muscle fiber. Before that carry impulses the sense organ to central nervous system. This one central nervous system to muscle fiber. It is called motor neurons, otherwise efferent neurons. Okay. Now we have to study association neurons. See the picture, association neurons. Association neurons. Here, contact impulses between sensory and motor neurons. See the picture? It is a motor leg. Yes. Another, that is sensory nerves. Sensory nerves coming and with joined with the motor neurons. See the picture? Sensory nerve, otherwise afferent, motor nerve, otherwise efferent. That nerve connecting to the leg. Everybody saw? This is called association neurons. Association neurons. Okay? Yes? Everybody understood? Classification based on function, three classification. One is sensory, motor, association. Sensory neuron, motor neuron, association neuron. Okay children? Next we have to study types of nerve fibers. Types of nerve fibers. Nerve fibers, two types. Nerve fibers, two types. One is myelinated nerve fiber. Another one is non-myelinated nerve fiber. Myelinated nerve fiber. Another one is non-myelinated nerve fiber. What is myelin? Already we studied. We saw the picture. Yes, structure of neuron already we studied. The axon have myelin sheath. Yes or no? Axon have myelin sheath. That myelin sheath present in the nerve fiber, that is myelinated nerve fiber. Myelin sheath not present in the fiber, that is called non-myelinated nerve fiber. Okay, very easy. Myelinated nerve fiber, the axon is covered with myelin sheath. Axon is covered with myelin sheath. Non-myelinated nerve fiber, the axon is not covered by myelin sheath. Okay, that very easy. Types of nerve fibers too. One is myelinated nerve fiber, another one is non-myelinated nerve fiber. Both are formed in the white matter and grey matter of the brain. Myelinated nerve fiber and non-myelinated nerve fiber, two are formed in the white matter and the gray matter of the brain. Okay, these are in the white matter and gray matter of the brain. Okay, now we have to study transmission of nerves. Transmission. Transmission means transfer the impulse from one neuron to another neuron. Transmission of nerve impulse. Impulse transfer from one neuron to another neuron. Now everybody see the picture. Axon is the one neuron axon, that is that inside some chemicals already studied. What is the chemical? Neurotransmitters. That chemicals are present inside the synaptic knob. Yes or no? Already studied. Synaptic junction, synaptic knob have that chemical is there. That chemical name is neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters are present in the synapse, synaptic nerve, synaptic junction. That, see, everybody see the picture? Synapse, synaptic junction. Yes, receptors, neurotransmitters. Now, you see about this one, how transmission going on. All the information from the environment are detected in the receptors located in our sense organ such as eyes, nose, skins, etc. Yes, receptors in our sense organs. So receptors are in our sense organs. Information from the receptor is transmitted and electrical impulse and is received by the dendritic tips of the neuron. We already studied dendrites. Here, dendritic tips of the neuron. This impulse travels from the dendrites to the cell body and then along the axon to its terminal end. On reaching the axonal end, this causes the nerve endings to release chemical neurotransmitter which diffuse across the synapse and start similar electrical impulse in the dendrites of next neuron. Then to the cell body to be carried along the axon. Anything understand? No, not understand. Listen carefully. Everybody knows that structure of the neuron. The up to cell body is there, dendrites are there, next axon is there, next synapse are there. Yes, one axon, one neuron connected to another neuron. Understand? One neuron connected to another neuron. That means first one neuron is there, next synapse are there, the synaptic knob connected to other dendrites. Dendrites, connected to the dendrites. The dendrites and another axon, synaptic knob together connected. Understand? That connecting time, the electrical impulse coming from that one neuron to another neuron through the chemicals. What chemical? Neurotransmitter chemical. Have you understood, children? Have you understood? From one neuron to another neuron, the electrical impulses coming through the synaptic knob. Okay? This which diffuses across a synapse and start similar electrical impulse in the dendrites of next neuron. Then to the cell body to carry along the axon. Next, one neuron connected, next neuron in between synaptic knob is that synaptic knob connected to the dendrites. Next, the dendrites give the impulse to the cell body. Next, the cell body give the impulse to the axon. Next, synaptic knob. Next, another neuron. that like neurons are connected one by one. These like information also go through this way. Have you understood, children? In this way, electric signal reaches the brain or spinal cord. The response from brain is similarly passed to the effector organs such as muscles or gland cells. Muscles also, gland cells also, every parts that like the information going on. Okay. After the flow of nerve impulses from axonal end of one neuron to dendrites of another neuron through a synapse is called synaptic transmission. Transmission of nerve by impulse. How? What is synaptic transmission? The flow of nerve impulse from the axonal end of the one neuron to dendrite of another neuron through synapse is called synaptic transmission. Have you understand transmission of nerve impulse? Yes, I think everybody understood. Yes, yes. Each neuron can transmit 1,000 nerve impulses per second. How many? 1,000 nerve impulses per second. 1 second, 1,000 nerve impulses transmitted. 1 second, 1,000 nerve impulses transmitted. And make us maybe 10,000 of synaptic contact with other neurons. Okay, children? Everybody understood? Okay. Now we have to study neurotransmitters. What is neurotransmitters? That is one chemical. Yes. Already we studied. Neurotransmitters are the chemicals which allow transmission of nerve impulse from the axon terminal of one neuron to the dendrons of another neuron or to an effector organ or to an effector organ. Effector organ. The important neurotransmitter released by neuron is called acetylcholine. Acetylcholine. The important neurotransmitter released by neuron is called acetylcholine. Acetylcholine. What is acetylcholine? The important neurotransmitter released by neuron is called acetylcholine. Okay, acetylcholine. This is neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters. Okay, children. Now I will give the homework. These 2-3 pages are there. These 3 pages you have to write 10 fill in the blanks. Okay. Any 10 fill in the blanks you write it. Read properly, study properly, draw and see these pictures. Okay. After one assignment I will give. Draw and write about structure of neuron. Draw and write about structure of neuron. Okay. Draw the picture and write about this. Cytosol, dendrites, axon, synapse, synaptic junction. These are structure of neurons. You write it. That is your assignment. Okay, children. Everybody study this lesson properly. Okay. பின்னாடி கீழே எடுத்து இது 4. இது மூடி சாப்பிட்டானே இல்ல இது இது வந்து do exercise. இது எழுதியா கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிட்டியா? ஒரு 7 இருக்கு. 7 கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணுங்க. நீ எழுதி வச்சிருக்கீங்களா? ஞாபகம் உனக்கு